Welcome to our LIB guide to start a restaurant business in NYC. How to form a new business. And we're going to go to form a corporation or business. Now, what I will advise is that to also check to see if the business name is trademarked, because even if it's not registered, it could be trademarked. So you want to just do your due diligence and double check that. But for this particular tutorial, we're just going to show you how to register your business. So now we're here at form a corporation or business, and then we're going to scroll down here and we're going to see what type of business that we want to form. So you see it has business corporation, certificate of incorporation, benefit corporation, certificate of incorporation, professional service corporation, not-for-profit, limited liability company, professional service limited liability company, limited partnership. In this case, we're going to do limited liability company. So we'll click here. So now it takes us to the page, and you can review all the information here. And it gives you pretty much instructions on how to file. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. Thank you for watching.